This place smells amazing.
This is way better than forest berries.
So good.
NYC got moves. He got moves.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel today. I'm going to show you how to create a monkey vlog using AI, and the best part, it's totally free. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Our first step is writing the script. For that, we use ChatGPT. I gave it a simple but creative prompt. Give me a cinematic vlog-style character description of Bigfoot who's trying to become a social media influencer. He should be holding a camera, talking directly to it, and all the scenes should be from the phone's point of view. Handheld, shaky, selfie style. Then I asked ChatGPT for 3 to 4 short scene prompts, 8 seconds each, and even added some location ideas like Bigfoot in New York enjoying city life. After that, I shared my updated character prompt. Bigfoot, a 7-foot-tall hairy cryptid, is trying to become a social media influencer. He holds a camera. He's clumsy, overly excited, and speaks directly to the camera like a vlogger. All scenes are from the phone's point of view, shaky, handheld, and selfie style. ChatGPT instantly gave me a full script with scene descriptions and voiceovers ready to use. Step 2 is video creation, and for that, I used Veo 3, the powerful new AI video generator developed by Google. If you want a tutorial on how to get free access to Veo 3, just leave a comment. I'll make a full video on that. Here's how I did it. I copied the character prompt and pasted it into Veo Flow. Then I copied the first scene and pasted it below the prompt. I repeated this process for every scene. Since the character remains the same in all scenes, it maintains perfect visual consistency across the vlog. One by one, I created all the clips. Super easy. Now it's time to edit the video. For that, I used CapCut, the perfect editor for beginners. It has a clean interface and is really simple to use. I combined all the video scenes into one timeline.
This place smells amazing.
This is way better than forest berries.
So good.
NYC got moves. He got moves.
NYC got moves.
Then I removed the VEO3 watermark by placing my own channel logo on top of it. You can also add text or your own name over the watermark to hide it. Boom! My full video was ready.
This place smells amazing.
This is way better than forest berries.
So good.
NYC got moves. He got moves.
And that's it, friends. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your questions or problems. I'll help you out. This is how you can create funny monkey vlogs using AI totally free. See you in the next video.